Your boy don't stop working, y'all. Just got to Manheim and we pulling up on my car, y'all. So a whole bunch of cars sold. Y'all, let's go, man. Welcome back to Chuck's Daily Hustle, man. Everybody right now, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, subscribe button, notification bell, all that good stuff, you guys. We jumping right into the video live from the scene, you guys. So I'm picking up a 2012 Chevy Malibu, you guys. This is one of them ones, man, one of my secret spots, man. So like I told y'all before, I can't tell y'all everything, but I tell you something. Here she is, man. So the body, I don't think that's a scuff really. Oh, this gonna come out. Oh, that's good. Yeah. I thought that was a scuff in the pictures. So here's the interior, you guys. I forgot how many miles exactly is on here. We're gonna get it started up. Dog hair is all up in here. We're gonna have to get this thing detailed. Tires seem to be pretty dang good, y'all. Let me check the front. There we are. Show y'all the front of this joint. Most definitely is dirty. Most definitely got to get that taken care of, man. I took a lift out here, you guys, to pick up the car. It's early in the morning, and I think we're straight, man. So let me take this as is out the window, because you don't need that while we're driving. We most definitely don't need that while we're driving. So let's see. All right, we're gonna start 142, you guys. So it's got 142,000 miles on it. Key right here, y'all. Let's start her up. Take these headphones out real quick. Cut this AC off. Starts up as shit. I should pop this hood, actually. Let me pop this hood, y'all. Pop that joint. See what it looks like under there. I'm pretty sure it has the 4-cylinder in here. Yep, Ecotech motor in that joint. So 2.4 liter motor. Looks pretty dry. Like y'all, I know y'all can see the crack bumper right there, and then it's gonna need that grill. Looks very dry underneath, which is dope. So we're straight there, and now we gonna drive it, man. So let me pull this joint up out of here. Oh, actually, you know we gotta check everything, man. Windows working. That's working. Something just crawled on me, bro. That's nasty. All right, that's good. Let me see the radio work. Radio's good. See if that AC is actually. Is she? Okay, that blower gonna be a problem. The AC is okay. We're gonna have to see if that's gonna cool down a little bit. If not, then we're just gonna have to do an AC recharge because it is cool, it's not hot. So that's cool. Service tire pressure, tire sensor, or whatever's on there. Low washer fluid, that's nothing. It doesn't have an oil change sticker, so probably gonna have to do an oil change. Yeah. So far so good. Let's throw this thing on the road, see what she do. All right, y'all, let's see what she do, man. We doing 40. Merge over 50. 60. 65, 70. I think she tight. Got a little bit of, nah, she going straight. Hold up. Yeah, we good. We got a little gas too, so I ain't gotta pay for the gas. So we straight. I think we good. So anyways, I'm gonna get ready. We're gonna drive this joint. We got about 30 minutes to drive. It's getting hot in here. I got to cut on this AC, y'all. And I'm gonna give you guys the final result on this car. We got a lot more stuff to do, you guys. That's why I'm just jumping right into the video, because this one might be, well, I think it's gonna be a long one, man. We got a lot of cars that we messing with today, so let's get it.
Woo, sheesh, taking over, taking off. Get spazzing like you got the spaz. Woo, woo, woo. I'm up. We up. I'm up.
Yeah, y'all, this is a good one, man, for sure. I just pulled up to Chevy, you guys, Friendly Chev, and I am getting ready to check out and see what's up with this grill. So I'm gonna try to get the parts now, and then we need to get that bumper repaired. All right, checked out the parts for the bumper. Well, checked out the bumper aftermarket and all that stuff. It's like $400, so it's not gonna make any sense. I'm trying to get that thing rebuilt, get the grill, and then knock it out. Hopefully under $400 with parts and labor, and then we're gonna be, you know, on the good side. So let's get to it, man. I'm excited about this car for sure. You guys, look at that, man. $186 for these grills, and they put them in these huge boxes like they're actually that big. But I bought them. What I'm planning on doing, you guys, is I'm going to try to get out to You Pull It. I'm not in a terrible rush because obviously we got a lot of stuff to do, but I just bought the parts anyway because they had them in stock. So you guys know me, man, so I'll return them if I find something cheaper. So but right now we just moving and grooving. We here already. So somebody hit me up for the 08 Ford Focus, you guys, that I bought, the red one. So I might be running out there. I'm waiting on him to actually reply. He asked for the address and everything, so hopefully that pans out. We get that thing sold, and then we can make some blue faces for the day. So I will obviously keep you guys with me the entire day because, like I said, man, we got a lot of fun stuff that we're supposed to be getting done today, man. So back to the better content, you guys. A lot of cars, man. I think I bought, man, I don't even know, man. I'm not even gonna put a number on there. Most definitely more than 10. We bought more than 10 for sure this week, most definitely. So it's got a lot of stuff going on, man. So let's get it, man. Moving and grooving, y'all. So I just pulled up to the lot, you guys, and I got some more stuff to do. Gotta tend to these cars, man. See if I can get this thing started. I'm gonna talk to y'all about that in a second. But we are in this van, you guys. The 06 Town and Country. Show you the interior first. 196,000 miles. It's already ready for sale. A little dirty, but I mean, well, it's got dirt on the ground, put it like that. But we got it vacuumed out and everything. I'm gonna sell it the way it is. It's a cheaper car, so if somebody wants to detail it, they go ahead and detail it. I'm not gonna get a ton of money out of it. Let me raise this window down. I always raise my windows down before I shut the door if I had the keys in the car, y'all. Because I've had a couple cars that I've locked out over the years, and I don't play around. So here it is, you guys. Like I said, an 06, man. This is a stow and go joint too, Town and Country. So that's cool. It doesn't have the power sliding doors or anything like that. Got a little ding back here. Got that rust going. We in Minnesota, y'all. It is what it is, man. Just like I said, one of them cheap cars that I get once in a while, and somebody's gonna love that car and it's gonna run good. Like, that car really does run really nice, y'all. And then look at the tires. Tires are still decent. The ones in the back are like great, in my opinion. But yeah, so we got out here, you guys. I don't know if I got all these cars out on the vlog from yesterday or the other day, but we got the 02 Ford Explorer. This thing got 139,000 miles. This is super clean, especially for Minnesota, y'all. Like, no rust on this joint. It's crazy. Well, you got rust under there, but no surface rust on the body. Interior super clean. Sunroof joint. I gotta close that actually, but yeah, cool car, man. Got the 08 Ford Focus or whatever year this is right here. I think I still need to vacuum this out. I think I forgot to. Yeah, I do want to vacuum this out and wipe it down. I do have it posted though. So Montero, y'all know about this. I actually took this one off the line, y'all. I'm gonna get the front brakes and rotors done on it, and then I'm gonna fix that exhaust leak because I've been showing it too much and I hate showing cars like that. So I'm gonna just get that done and we'll be squared away. So I tried to cut corners, and sometimes you're just not supposed to do that, man. So that's on me, man. Learn from my mistakes. STS right here, you guys. I think I showed you guys this car too. What I need to do with this thing? I need to clean this joint out. I haven't posted it yet, so I'm going to get this cleaned out. I forgot how many miles exactly is on here. I think it's got like 180 on it. And then we got this Uplander right here, y'all. So this is my problem child right now. This thing, let me see if the battery's still good. So I had to jump it before. Might be dead. Let me see. Take this key out, man. In my pocket. Might be dead again. Let me see. Put that word. Hold up, y'all. Okay, yep, it's dead again. So I'm gonna try to jump it with my big jump pack. It's getting hot out here. Try to jump with my big jump pack. If it does work, then I'm bringing it straight to the mechanic because I think that the starter is going out on it. But overall, man, once I get this thing detailed and cleaned out, it's gonna be a good car. So I got some projects, a couple of projects left, and we're gonna get those done. And then we're gonna get this for sale. We're gonna stop running like we crazy and get what we need to get done. Yeah, boy. Your boy got it running, man. So we happy about that, man. So this little NOCO boost just came in wonder. So I don't know why that is let me cut this down a little bit, y'all. I ain't cutting it all the way off because it's hot as heck out here today. I use my JNC jump pack. That's my favorite jump pack if you guys don't know. Why is this thing not picking up? All right, there we go. Which is my favorite jump pack, but it was too big for me to get to that battery, so it ended up jumping it off. I'm bringing this straight to the mechanic, like I said before. I'm gonna let him double check, make sure that it ain't the starter, because I don't want to be selling any cars once we get this thing all fixed up to somebody and the starter goes out. So I already have to do the front brakes and rotors and possibly a caliper on this joint. So I'm happy though that I got this thing started up. So this thing's got 171,000 miles. That's how much is on here. So we should be able to still make some blue faces on this joint, being a positive. So let's get to it, man. Okay, y'all, so I'm at storage and might as well show you what we got out here. I'm not gonna go over all these cars again, man. We got the Denali though. We got these two Saturn Aurors over here that need to get fixed. We got the Cadillac SRX, and of course we just hopped out of the Uplander right there, y'all. I am waiting on Twan to get back to me. Then we got the Cobalt over here. All of these cars, for the most part, let me see. Yeah, the only one's ready is that Yukon right there, y'all. Everything else needs work. So we got the PT Cruiser right here, y'all. I haven't even seen that yet, most definitely, because I picked this up last night. So this thing gonna need an oil pressure regulator, you guys. So I'm getting that done, and then it's gonna need a detail after that. So those are the things that we're working on with that. Let me show you the interior of this thing. I think it only has like 140 on it, if I'm not mistaken. So as you can see though, it is dirty in the inside. Get that taken care of, and then we're gonna have us a nice vehicle for sale, y'all. So that is the plan. If you want to see more of these cars, man, go watch my other vlogs, man. The last 3 vlogs, I was explaining all of that stuff, man. So the SRX though, we going to get that body done for sure. So just trying to, like I said, man, get all this stuff in line. Got my body guy that's gonna do what he needs to do and all that stuff. Just talked to Chris, so he's gonna knock out a lot of my cars as well. So between my 2 mechanics, or I actually got 3 mechanics now. Between the 3 mechanics, I should be up and running hopefully by Thursday with all of my cars, and then even with the detail guy. So obviously we're gonna know when we know. So I'm gonna bring y'all along with me as we go, and I'm just looking to make some magic, man. Looking to make some money, looking to make some content, looking to grow, man. And right now, man, if you watching this video and you like anything, man, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button, most definitely, man. And don't forget to subscribe. But I will see you in a second. Your boy is most definitely moving and grooving, y'all, today, man. I did find the grill pieces for half of the price, y'all. So I got it for $90, man. I got it for $90 from Certifit. So I was able to get that aftermarket pieces, man. I'm super happy about that, because that just puts me a little bit under, more in budget, more in my pocket, man. So I'm on my way actually right now out to the office, you guys. Back to the office. I just left Brian's. On my way back out there, I'm in the Malibu, getting ready to show the, Twan's already out there, so he's showing the GMC Yukon that was out there, and then he's also getting ready to show that white van that we just literally posted. So hopefully I have both of them things gone, and then we will be straight from there. So I will see you guys in a few, and hopefully we got us a money face, and hopefully we got the blue faces in the left pocket secured real tight, man. All right, y'all, so unfortunately it happened so fast I couldn't even get any footage, so I did not end up selling the van. They just were like tire kicking, is what it is. But Tweezy sold the Yukon. Yeah, you see him, he all relaxed. Yeah, he happy about that, man. So we're gonna go drop this joint off, and then have him have the body guy knock this out, man. So this is his favorite car right here, the Malibu. Yeah, back at the office again, y'all. I honestly thought the day was over, man. I even got in my flip-flops, man. But yeah, so I'm showing the Town and Country right there, Tweezy up in the Durango over there, and yeah, man, we're gonna show this Town and Country. Then I'm actually going to go pick up a car from the auction. I wasn't going to do that. It is late, but it just makes sense, man. We're going to knock this stuff out, that way we don't have to do it tomorrow. So that'll make us basically, instead of us picking up 3 cars from the auction over the weekend, we just have 2. So that's what we doing, man. So try to keep this energy up, you guys, and you know, keep it moving and grooving. So we even got the kids, man. So we making it happen, man. He about to go bring them to get some food, and this is how you do it, man. I guess, you know, it's real life. Ain't no gimmicks, no games. When you just got a little small crew, my bad, y'all. I'm talking to y'all as I'm sitting over here doing all this stuff. But there's no gimmicks, no games, man. Like, I'm giving it to y'all raw and uncut. Like, you got to get it when you can, man. Somebody call that phone, and you near, like, don't turn them down, man. Go get that money. You know what I'm saying? So unfortunately, I don't got a money face for you guys. The deal basically wasn't done over $50. So I wasn't paying the dude taxes. So it is what it is. I will sell it to somebody else that's gonna have the right money that I'm asking for, man. So we've been get ready to get where we gotta go, man. See you. Boys, don't stop working, y'all. Just got to Manheim and we pulling up on my car, y'all. So a whole bunch of cars sold. And here's my money maker, y'all. 2005 Hyundai Sonata with 168,000 miles. Look at them tires, baby. I think it needs a nice clean interior. Oh, it's not that bad. We can make, oh yeah, I can probably do this myself, y'all. Clean this joint out, get this thing ready for sale, man. It should need a jump because the last time I was here, I think when I tested, hold on. Oh yeah, we need a jump. All right, let me jump this joint real quick, y'all. We got her up and running, baby. Let's make sure that all these windows and everything work. I think they did, because I would have put notes on it. Let me see. All right, that's good. Open this one up. All right, that one's good. Let's see if the radio works. That's good. Nice cold AC. Let's get it. If I'm not mistaken, y'all, I think this one just needed like brake pads or something. But we gonna see, y'all. I'm happy, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I'm excited. We got some nice cars for good prices. Where the heck is this thing? For some good prices, man. And I'm pretty sure we're gonna make some blue faces like very, very soon. Tomorrow would be, you know, preferable. You know what I mean? So anyways, let's pull this thing out, man. So we come in here late at night, so they don't even have the gates really open. So okay, y'all, let's see what this joint do, man. We up to 40, 45. I'm trying to get it up to 60 at least. 55, 60. Yeah. Let me see if I hear brakes. Hold on, let me roll this window down. Oh, I don't even hear the brakes now. Yeah, I think it was just scraping from sitting so long, y'all. Man. And y'all know I get happy when that happens, because if you're new to this channel, man, we deal with a lot of rust here, and sometimes you just get to you gotta dry these cars so they can stop making them brake noises. And I think this might be one of the ones. It don't really happen. I usually gotta end up changing them out because the brakes and the rotors are warped or something. But we're gonna see. Hold on, let me mess with these brakes a little bit. Oh yeah, we good, boy. We good. Hey, all that energy I didn't have is back now. Let me see. We're gonna get it up a little bit higher on speed now, y'all. That needle's doing good. All right, still up to 60. 60, let me see, 65. Man, we good. This is a good running car, man. So yeah, this thing is going up for sale tomorrow, most definitely. I'm gonna clean it out. We're gonna just do a little once over on that joint, make sure everything's safe. But hey, I'm driving it, so y'all know it's gotta be a good one, man. We got the sunroof joint, so we good, man. But I'll give you guys an update on the next video on exactly how everything goes, man. This video has been a long video, so that didn't even make any sense. I said that twice. But anyways, man, I'm gonna see you on the next one, man. I'm out. Peace.